Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video I will show you and also tell you how you can log out of your Facebook account and other devices. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments. So let's get down to our topic today. And if you have had a situation where you logged into your Facebook account from some other device of yours or someone else's device, or you suspect that someone has logged into your Facebook device, then I will show you how you can log out of it remotely. For this, friends, you will have to open Facebook and go to the menu section. Then at the top, click on the gear to go to Settings. And here go to Meta Account Center. Next, select Password and Security. Now are you logged in? Next, select your Facebook page. This will take you to a list of all the devices that you've logged into your Facebook account from. And at the top, the first thing you'll see is the device from which you're currently logged into Facebook. You can't delete it because it's the device you're on Facebook from, and you can't delete it. At the bottom, however, there will be a list of all the devices from which you or someone else may have logged into your Facebook account. And in order to delete those devices, you'll need to click right here. And when you get to that page, you can select a single device. Or you can click Select All. And at the bottom, click Exit. So you will immediately log out of all the devices that you may have logged into your Facebook account. Friends, this is the way you can easily log out of Facebook on other devices. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.